Hi, my next plush, which is very cute, I think. It is a pug dog with such cross on his cheek. He is made of plush, as all my toys. I like this material. He has little ears, big black eyes with eyebrows, and a little tongue. You can see it's very accurate and of good quality. Even it is nice to touch his tummy. Like all pugs, he has a tail, such a little crooked tail. So I hope you like my toy and follow please my channel to see more.